Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This is Chaos Break and I'm Amy.
I'm Amanda.
And today, what are we doing, Amanda? Amanda's excited. Want to see what's in her FabFitFun for March? Because she doesn't know what month it is, so I'll say it for her. How many times do you go spit on me today? Want to see what's in there for March 2019? Sit back, take a break. Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. So, the box. Let's start with that.
It is so cute.
It is super cute. I love that. All the bright colors and the cacti. Super cute. So if you don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription. So you get it 4 times a year. It is $49.99 a season, and usually has a value,
What, 200 or something like that, they say?
yeah. And you get
murder weapons in your bedroom.
you have makeup. Sometimes there's some sort of oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Oh, look at the inside.
Love that. Do you know that like coral is the spring season color? Like
Didn't know that.
the trend. So you get like makeup. We should. You get makeup related things, beauty related things. Sometimes there's like home decor kind of like thingy.
There was
like
a
candles.
infusers.
Yeah.
Well,
Usually
we'll see,
some sort of fitness thing.
Some stuff in here that...
You don't know?
No, I think
You picked everything?
except for I think I usually do like one surprise just because I like that.
So sometimes you get a magazine and then
That Amanda will never reach to the time.
so there's things like if you are let's see. Yeah, in every box are these things down here, and then there are things that all members get to choose from, and then there are things that just select members. So what makes you a select member if you sign up annual? And you signed up for an annual.
Sure.
Didn't you for a year?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Did you show them the inside?
I did.
Oh, they can see it. So
I did.
it is so cute. Okay.
That's why I tried to sit back a little bit. Just a little bit. So I can see.
So cute.
Let's start with this.
Oh.
I didn't pick this, so that's supposed to be the every box, or this
I don't
is
think so.
a makeup drop
What? That's not even on
silicone beauty
here.
applicator.
That's not even on here. Not on here at all.
Cool.
At all. So I don't know what that
I
is.
use
It for. Okay, so this says apply a small amount of product directly to the tip of your drop. Lightly dab, draw or outline on the face. Then use wider side of drop to gently massage into skin until makeup or skincare is well blended. So you can use it for skincare or makeup.
Cool.
That is cool. Alright.
Next, we'll do this. Dr. Brandt, no more baggage, needles and more. I had a small sample of this before.
I
think,
have.
or something like it.
I think I got full size in a BoxyCharm.
No, I didn't get the ID puffing gel. I had one for wrinkles.
Okay. So that is $42. Dr. Brandt is pretty expensive.
I know.
And so that's supposed to visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles with this breakthrough solution.
Just use the whole bottle.
So
First
it
time.
says, tip, don't be afraid of the salmon shade. It's meant to color correct dark circles. Use your ring finger to pat a pea-sized amount directly under the eyes. We
Maybe.
stopped recording for some reason. It's really tough to squeeze out.
I don't want to make a mess.
Here.
Oh, oh goodness, that
It's-
sure is. No wonder they said don't be alarmed.
Well, you haven't finished putting it on yet.
I know, but does it look orange or does
No,
it look?
it doesn't look orange. Oh, I'm scared of what's happening up there. Alright, the next thing in the box is, oh pretty. So this is Sip by Swell. Did you pick this?
I don't remember.
So this is one of the things that
Probably.
if you are an annual subscriber, you could choose. So this has a value of $19.99. It says colors will be randomly selected. You got pink. Those are cool.
That'd be nice.
Yeah.
Cold water.
Mm-hmm. So you could have gotten that, a necklace, or Ciate
Yeah, I
London
probably picked it.
translucent setting powder. Ooh.
Champagne charcoal scrub.
So this is from Manicadar, and this is something that everybody got in their box. Has a value of $24, and it's formulated with charcoal
Aww.
and Dead Sea. Oh man, and Dead Sea minerals.
It's got a broken lid.
It's a body scrub. Removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin.
Do you think it will dry out?
It might. The lid is cracked.
What should I do? It might not dry out, or maybe I could just leave the seal
Wait,
on there.
yeah, because the seal's in here.
Oh, maybe I'll
Look
leave
at
this-
though.
I know,
It's all
I
the way
see
through.
that.
It's all the way through.
That's the paper underneath it.
But I know, but it's not
Yeah.
all the way through.
So maybe if I peel this back gently and I don't
Take it
remove
off.
it. Exciting.
So I like body scrubs, but they make a giant mess of your shower.
Cool. Alright, next.
Keep seeing commercials for FabFitFun and girls wearing this robe, and I think it's so pretty. Did you pick it?
Yes.
This is Show Me Your Moo. This is a robe, and it has a value of $84. It does feel really nice. It is cute. You gonna put it on?
Yep.
She's gonna model.
I gotta try everything on.
It's really pretty. It feels nice. It's nice and light.
This is where I lounge around doing no housework.
Doing no housework.
Eat my bonbons on the couch.
It's cute. Now
it.
with that, did you get to pick a size?
I don't know. Does it say?
It says OS, which I'm assuming is one size.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Well, it fits nice.
I wonder how one size that would be though, because
belly. Edit that out, please.
because I'm larger
She
than
won't.
you. I'm just wondering how one size it would be.
I'm sure it is. Want to try it on?
Maybe. I'm just gonna scoot back. Ignore the barking dog. There's really nothing we can do about it. She doesn't listen. So maybe I have leggings on. Don't mind me. My lazy pants. So it would fit, I guess. It's definitely not as loose on me as it is on you, but
It's
it would fit.
Wow. It's pretty.
It is pretty. Cool.
I think it probably looks better on you than
Whatever. It's very cute.
I like it.
I need my sweater. My sweater.
And, like, flowers aren't, like, exactly how it was.
I love
I
that.
stained my shirt.
What did you do?
I don't know.
Got Bella hairs on you.
Messy.
It's been a messy day.
Well, is that when I showed you I'm not a hot mess, I'm a tepid mess or something like that?
I don't know. You gonna wear that for the rest of the
I
video?
am.
That's really cute. If I didn't say that, retails for $84.
It's pretty.
It's very
I'd ever
pretty.
pay $84 for it.
No.
It's pretty.
No.
So I'm not crazy.
Well, that is very debatable. What is next? Away.
Oh.
Away, I think.
Leave-in conditioner. Sweet. I love leave-in conditioner because my hair's always dry.
So this is something
Always.
everybody got. This has a value of $26. This says tip. Mist lightly throughout damp hair prior to brushing. For a second, out of the corner of my eye, I thought you were spraying that under your arms like deodorant.
Well, you could, I suppose. It does smell nice.
It does smell nice.
Be like, forgot your deodorant? I know we're not following the directions exactly, but, you know.
Whatever. I'm gonna go see if she's...
Instructions are for zizzies.
Destructions? I
Instructions.
think you just said destructions. I'm gonna go see if she's trapped or something, or if she's... Okay, now that we calm down the barking dog. So you chose this?
Did I?
Well, it's one of the
Sure.
ones you could choose.
Well, I'm not going to choose the jump rope.
So this is... Go ahead.
This is Tula Probiotic Skincare Purifying Facial Cleanser. Face cleaner.
That's a big facial cleanser. We're always a hot mess, so yeah. That's a giant facial cleanser. How many
It
ounces
is.
is that?
It's 6 ounces.
Wow.
It's sealed, but see, I always use face wash.
So it has a retail value of $28. And it says, this isn't an ordinary cleanser. No.
What?
Smells clean.
How do you know what I was thinking?
Well, you have this mischievous look on your face. So So it uses the power of probiotics to gently remove dirt, impurities, and makeup while leaving the skin balanced and clarified.
Put stuff back in there nicely. And the last thing.
What in the world is that? Did you want that?
Yes.
Okay. Sunny Life Lovers Picnic Set in Malibu.
Cute.
Has a retail value of, that is really bright, $30. That is cute though. Those are giant spoons.
Well, for Big Mouth.
Seriously.
We get a couple plates. I suppose you could also put some
Look.
plastic plates in there if you needed more.
Yeah, well yeah. Look at
this.
this.
See this.
This is huge.
Looks about right to me.
That's right. You're such a brat. That's cute though. So you get 2 sets of silverware and 2 plates and a little cute baggie. Cool.
Nice. I don't know like where I'll find use for this raspberry, but maybe going to the beach. I don't know.
Or maybe if you wash them and just left it in your car and then you ever needed a fork, you'd be like, hey, I got a fork, everyone.
This is my silverware set in the car.
So I'm curious to know what your total value is. Do you have...
Do I have what? A calculator?
Yeah. You're going to have to get in that for me.
You can get the calculators out.
Oh. Wait.
There you go.
So what do you think? Will you say whatever your thoughts are? I will add this up.
I like it. I think my favorite thing is going to be the leave-in conditioner and the robe. We'll see about the facial cleanser when I try it.
So I don't know what to count that one thingy as because
It doesn't really say. I don't
Well,
know.
it's
I would
not on.
guess 20 or something.
it's not on here. Trying to figure out where you didn't get something from.
This one?
Yes, that one. So maybe they ran out of the spoons,
I didn't
or
pick the spoons.
you'd
I
pick
picked
this.
the mystery item.
Oh, that was your mystery item.
I always pick one thing that I don't know.
So
what
it has at least a value of $20.
I would have liked the measuring spoons, but I already have 2 sets, so I don't really need them. So I figured maybe I'd like...
So if my
mystery
math worked out, it was $273.99. So cool. That I don't need help. I'm putting that down.
Yeah, you do.
I don't like Siri. Anyway, that was
I heard he doesn't like you either.
That was FabFitFun for March or for spring, right?
Sure, yeah.
Is it spring?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's supposed to be. But it's snowing right now, so...
We were flooding yesterday, and now it's snowing. Welcome to Michigan. Don't
So we can
stay.
all go ice skating now.
Yes, yes. Alright, thank you for watching, and we will see you guys next time. If you like videos like this, makeup stuff, subscribe before you go. We would love it if you would join us, and we hope you have a great, great day. Bye-bye!
I feel like that highlighter right there.
Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday.